This is Ali Inan signing in with yet another video on English grammar. Today I'm going to discuss the past continuous tense. We have already discussed the present continuous tense in a video which has been uploaded on this channel. The past continuous tense. It means that any action, event, or a state of being or process that was in continuity at a time in the past, or it refers to anything at a time in the past when we were in the middle of an action. यानी ये किसी ऐसे एक्शन प्रोसेस इवेंट या स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग की बात हो रही होती है जो पास्ट टाइम में यानी माजी में तो जारी था लेकिन प्रेजेंट टाइम तक नहीं आया यानी ये खास वक्त तक कॉन्टिन्यूड था. The past continuous is used to describe actions that began in the past and often continued for a short period of time after the action started. This tense describes actions or events that happened at a specific time in the past. These actions are usually no longer happening at the time the sentence is being said or written. The form of the past continuous tense is that it uses the past tense form of the verb be with an ing form of the main verb. Past tense form of the verb be are was and were. In the present continuous, we use the present tense form of the verb be, am, is, and are. But here we have a change. We use was and were. It is formed from the past tense form of the verb to be with the base form of the main verb with the addition of the suffix ing. यानी जिसको हम प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब भी कहते हैं उससे पहले was या were का यूजेज होगा पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस में. We take a look at a few examples. I was playing. इसके अलावा he, she, it या किसी और सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट के साथ भी हम was यूज करते हैं. You were playing या फिर they were playing या किसी भी प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट या सेकंड पर्सन प्रोनाउन के साथ भी हम were यूज करते हैं. और उसके बाद प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब जो कि बेस फॉर्म के साथ आईएनजी फॉर्म ऐड करने से बनाई जाती है. Spelling rules for the ing form of the verb will be discussed in a separate video on this channel. And for a detailed study of spellings, you can refer to chapter 31 of my book, Practical and Competitive English. Let's take a look at some more examples. Soft music was playing. People were walking in the park. When we got to the house yesterday morning, the baby was drinking a bottle. He was waiting at home all day when she sent him the message. Alan was cutting the grass the other day when the snake appeared. In all these sentences, the action is continuing in past time and has not come down to the present time. The negative for past continuous is formed by adding not to was and were, that is the usage of was not or were not, or the inflection wasn't or weren't. For example, I was not playing or I wasn't playing. You weren't playing or you were not playing. Questions are formed by using was and were before the subject. For example, was I playing? Were you playing? Or what were you thinking of? Let's discuss the usage of past continuous tense. Past continuous tense can be used when describing an unfinished action that was interrupted by another action. यानी एक ऐसा एक्शन जो कि पास्ट में स्टार्ट हुआ, पास्ट में कंटिन्यू किया और पास्ट टाइम में ही खत्म हुआ किसी और एक्शन के इंटरप्ट करने या फिर अकर होने के बाद. For example, I was having a terrifying dream when the alarm clock went off at 6 o'clock this morning. So the action of the dream continued till the alarm clock went off. यानी अलार्म क्लॉक के बजने तक पास्ट टाइम में ये इवेंट या ये वर्ब कंटिन्यू किया. While we were playing tennis, it started to rain. So playing tennis continued till the rain started to pour. Or I was listening to music, so I didn't hear the phone ring. While she was sleeping, someone took her phone. I was making dinner when he arrived at my house this evening. We use the continuous form with actions. We do not normally use it with state verbs. I also discussed it in the video on present continuous tense that for state verbs, the continuous form is not the most suitable form to use. We use present simple or past simple for state verbs. For example, I didn't know where you were. It would be incorrect to say I was not knowing. The difference between state verbs and action verbs will be discussed in a separate video on this channel. Past continuous is also used for repeated actions. For example, we came here every week. So it's a repeated action जो कि बार बार होता रहा हो एक्शन जरूरी नहीं कि सिर्फ एक चेन में कोई एक्शन कंटिन्यू करे बल्कि जिस तरह हमने प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस में भी देखा था कि कोई रिपीटेड एक्शन या अक्रेंस तो उसके लिए भी कहा जा सकता है कॉन्टिन्यूअस फॉर्म में जुमला या लिखा जा सकता है इसी तरह पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस में भी उन बातों के लिए जो कि पास्ट में बार बार रिपीट हुई हैं Past continuous can also be used to express a change of mind or thought that happened in the past. For example, I was going to spend the afternoon at the mall but decided to stay home instead. Past continuous tense can be used to show that two actions were going on at the same time in the past, simultaneously, साथ साथ कोई actions जो हो रहे हों. Neither of these actions are happening in the present. ये भी जरूरी है कि फिर साथ साथ जो पास्ट में एक्शंस कंटिन्यू कर रहे थे प्रेजेंट टाइम में न हो रहे हो तब पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस है. She was playing the piano while Anne was singing on the stage. So the act of playing the piano and the act of singing on stage, they were simultaneous. साथ साथ हो रहे थे दोनों actions. Past continuous tense can be used with the word wonder as well. When using it this way, it is used as a request. The request is not happening now and it was made in the past. For example, I was wondering if you could open the door. Past continuous can also be used with the words always, constantly, and forever. When using it this way, it is used to talk about things that happened repeatedly but occurred in the past. The action is not happening now and was a temporary habit. Grandma was constantly singing songs when she made us breakfast. या फिर she was always taking all my ideas. या फिर I was forever worrying if I would make the team. इन तमाम sentences में always, constantly और forever के usage के साथ जो continuous form of verb use की है वो इस पर्सपेक्टिव के साथ यूज की गई है कि ये सारे के सारे एक्शंस पास्ट में हुए और ये टेम्पररी एक्ट्स थे और ये सब के सब verbs जो हैं वो repeatedly किए गए past time में but they are not happening in the present time. The past continuous tense is important because it is used when mentioning actions or events that happened at a specific time in the past and which are generally no longer happening now. This tense can be used alone or it can be combined with past simple tense to show that an action or event happened in the middle of another action. It gives a sense of the order of events and when events of the past happened relative to one another. Let's take a look at few sentences so that you may practice these. The verbs are given in brackets and you can add the suffixation of ing and use the relevant form of the verb be with these to form a past continuous sentence. When I phone my friends, they play carom board. I work at 5 o'clock in the evening. We not cycle all day yesterday, or Ramesh not walk in the park when the theft happened, or what you and do are the options yesterday, and John, and then we have the option watch a movie when he, and then we have the verb hear, the noise. He, and we have the verb take, a shower when someone, and again we have the verb knock at the door. While they have the picnic, it and the verb start to rain. While Keith, the verb sleep, last night someone and the verb steal his motorbike. And last night at 7 p.m., I, the verb eat and dinner. So here you are required to make a past continuous sentence by taking help from the verbs and the options provided with the blank space. I hope you would have thought answers for a few of these. Let's take a look at how these sentences could have been formed. When I phoned my friends, they were playing carom board. I was working at 5 o'clock in the evening. Or we were not cycling all day yesterday. Ramesh was not walking in the park when the theft happened. What were you doing yesterday? Or number six, John was watching a movie when he heard the noise. He was taking a shower when someone knocked at the door. While they were having the picnic, it started to rain. While Keith was sleeping last night, someone stole his motorbike. And last night at 7 p.m., I was eating dinner. For gaining mastery over tenses, you must practice the usage of correct forms of verb. You can also consult chapter 3 to chapter number 6 of my book, Practical and Competitive English. And do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And do press the bell icon so that you are notified for each and every new video which is uploaded on this channel.